Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be reviewing about SBI Magnum Midcap Fund Direct Growth Plan. This fund was not performing last 5 years and the returns it was given is not that much encouraging. Today we will be analyzing what are the strategy we need to apply for this fund and what are the things we need to do so that we will be getting good return while taking less risk compared to this fund. This fund is consistently not giving good returns, so that is better. What I am suggesting is that you stop all your SIPs or new investments in this fund. New investors also don't invest in this fund, and you can have a better strategy which is given in the later part of this video by splitting your investment amount into two parts that I have explained it in detail in the later part of this video. This tip is very important, so keep watching the video till end and you will be getting a good knowledge of the strategy so that you can apply in your investments. As on 12th June 2020, the NAV of this fund is 66.643 and the result rating for this fund is 2 star. And the current NAV is in between 52-week high and 52-week low. And the 52-week high of this fund was 83.56 and 52-week low was 52.89. so the right now the NAV is trading in between this 52-week high and low. If you can see the returns for the 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, all these are showing negative returns only. For the 5 years, the fund is showing 3.2% of positive returns, which is annualized return. For 3 years, the fund is showing minus 5.8% negative return, and 2 years minus 8.7%, and 1 year minus 13.1%. We'll be quickly going through the statistics of this fund and then we will be coming to the strategy we need to apply against this fund. What should be our strategy in this fund? The benchmark for this fund is S&P BSE Midcap benchmark, and the asset size, current asset size is 2910.52 crore, 2910.52 crore, and minimum investment is 500, and the fund manager is Sohini Andani. If you can see the portfolio of this fund, the major investments are done in PI Industries, Sheela Foams, Godrej Properties, Cholamandalam, and Gujarat State Petrochemicals. All those shares are good shares only. And the sector wise allocation, if you are seeing, banking and finance sector is having 15.89% and engineering sector also having 15.44%. We'll be comparing this fund performance with the index performance, then we can come to a conclusion whether the fund is performing well or not. We are comparing the fund performance with BSE 150 Midcap Index. Here if you can see, the for 6 month minus 11%, 1 year minus 13.2%, and 2 years minus 21%, and 3 years 0%. So comparing this with our fund performance, we can understand that fund is performing well compared to its benchmark, and the benchmark is having very negative falls. Compared to this, fund is having less falls. But the thing we need to consider is that both are showing negative returns only. We cannot say it's purely due to the fund manager or fund performance. The category is like that. This is a mid-cap category, and it was expected that mid-cap will be giving some safety and good returns like that. But actually what is happening that the mid-cap category is becoming a risky category, and its risk is somewhere equal to its small cap category also. So, and the returns we are not getting that much like a small cap. So we are investing into a risky category with less return. That is what happening when you are investing in this category. So the fund also failed because of that category also, and the returns also not very encouraging. So I would recommend you to stop whatever SIP you are doing in this fund, and I'm not saying you withdraw money. Whatever investment you have done, you can keep it there, but you stop all your SIPs in this fund. And the new investor, please check some other large cap category for safety of your investments. And if you will, I'll be giving you one tip how to invest with good safety and get more return compared to this mid cap in the later part of this video. So the strategy we need to do is we need to stop all your existing SIPs. Please stop, and you need to invest in large cap category or small cap category. I will recommend that in the later part. And the new investor, do not invest in mid cap segment right now, especially in SBI Magnum. You can have some better performing funds in this mid cap category. You can choose that, you can select that. And the people, investors who already invested a lump sum amount in mid cap fund, SBI Magnum Midcap Fund, you can average out your investment, but you need to invest in some other fund, not in this fund, because the statistics shows very negative returns for the last 5 years, and CRISIL rating also 2-star only. So there is no point in investing in such fund which is giving average returns. So our aim is we should be getting good return and with good safety. Both point of view, this fund is failed to give any safety as well as any good returns. So the tip I am going to give you is that if you want to get good return of mid cap category, then what I will suggest, you invest, you need to select how much you will be investing in the fund, and then that 60% of that investment funds or large cap fund like this ICICI Bluechip fund, or SBI also having good Bluechip fund, SBI Bluechip fund, and ELSS fund like ICICI long term equity fund, where you will get tax exemption also. You can consider such funds, and 60% of your investment amount should be going to, I am talking in with the point of view of this SBI Magnum. Whatever investment you are planning to do, or whatever SIP you are doing in this fund, you hold stop that SIP and then invest 60% of that money into a large cap fund, and 40% of that money into a small cap fund like SBI small cap fund, Axis small cap fund, which are giving good return. By doing this, what you will be doing, you will be putting the riskier part, that is 40% in a small cap fund which is giving good return and taking good risk. But the thing is that these funds are whatever I suggested, these funds are performing very well. So you'll be investing in that fund 40%, and 60% of your money will be going into a large cap segment where the safety is there and good returns also you will be getting. Ideally, what will be happening, you will be investing a large part of your investment in a safe area like large cap fund, and you will be for returns, more return, you will be investing small percentage of your investable amount in small cap area. That will be a better strategy, and you will be getting good returns by doing this, and avoiding mid cap segment will be a better strategy right now. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.